So today it's all about fish. A lot of people are a little bit scared about cooking fish, and it's very easy. I'm gonna show you today. So all we have is asparagus. So we have green ones and white ones. So we're gonna first peel them. It's very important that you cut off the ends. And the white asparagus, you have to peel them twice. So you just go twice around, once, and twice. So this is good already. And over here we have salt water. So we're gonna cook them for a couple minutes in the salt water. To keep them white, we're gonna add some lemon juice, or you can have lime juice as well, or a little bit of vinegar. Just the acid gonna keep our asparagus white. So we're gonna do the same with the green ones, but those you can just peel once. So you just go once around. If they are very fresh and super tender, you don't even have to peel them. You're just gonna do it a little bit. So, perfect. Then, here we have a frying pan. We're gonna add some salt to the pan and add the asparagus. Just leave them like this. So. Our asparagus are cooking, and over here for a sauce we're gonna make a reduction. So we have white wine, a little bit of vinegar, orange juice and spices. So reduce all that, and then just remove the spices and add egg yolks. You can use 1 egg yolk per person. So this is now for 4 people, so you put 4 egg yolks. A little bit of salt, and you actually don't need any sugar, just a little bit of salt. And the acidity of the white wine and the vinegar is going to give the freshness to the dish. And right here, the white asparagus are cooked already. So we're going to remove them. And add them to cold water. Ice water is going to stop them to cook. Then here we're going to prepare a glaçage. This means we're going to glaze the white asparagus with some butter, some stock, a little bit of sugar to make them shiny, and a little bit of salt. Make sure the asparagus are doing good. Okay, next step is going to be the sauce. So here we have the egg yolks and the reduction, and you just have to whisk it and keep the heat low. So keep the heat very low and just whisk it. The heat is too high, then the egg's gonna cook, and then you're gonna get scrambled eggs. You just want to poach them a little bit. So keep whisking so it doesn't cook. Should really be an airy sauce. Get a kind of light feeling. Matches very good with the fish, but also very good with the asparagus. mix them a little bit. When it gets creamy, you can add the butter. Just molten butter, then you add this very slowly. Here we are. Okay, we have the sauce ready. Place the white asparagus and grill the fish. Reduce the heat. So for the fish, it's very important that you salt. It's very important that you salt the pan. So it's gonna absorb the humidity from the skin and gonna make the skin crispy. So you also can cut the fish in two. Here we have a nice char. It's like a trout or a salmon, same family. You can use whatever fish you like. And then just put it to the pan. Yeah, 4 nice little pieces. Now here you see it gets cooked on the sides. And we wait until it gets a little bit higher, and then we flip it really quick, and then it's done. The idea is really not to overcook the fish. Alright, now the fish is cooked. You can see. We just flip it. A nice colored crispy skin, like a chip. And now we'll remove the fish from the heat. We don't want to cook it anymore. Here we have the asparagus, the dark layer, the green one. So we're going to start plating. This cannot be enough.